Is the real estate market slowing down? You may hear about this on the news or from your friends. And many of my clients have asked me this question. With the recent interest rate hikes, everyone wants to know if the market is slowing. In short, yes, the market is slowing. But it might not be slowing as much as you think. We've seen a dramatic change in our market recently. Inventory increased significantly and in the last month, according to both Zillow and Realtor.com. The chief economist at Realtor.com notes, if the trends we're seeing now hold true, we could potentially see year-over-year inventory growth within the next few weeks. At the same time, buyer demand also decreased. The number of new mortgage applications fell last month for the third month in a row, and existing home sales dropped about 4%. Without doubt, the market is starting to shift from the hot pandemic-fueled one that we had in the last few years to one that favors buyers slightly more. And there are a few main reasons why we're seeing this change. First, as you may already know, the Federal Reserve has started fighting inflation by raising rates. Mortgage rates have risen to 5% to 6%, and it's probably going to keep going up probably next month. And then that has a direct effect on buyers by making it more difficult to afford a home. As a result, demand has fallen. On top of rising rates, we're also seeing a surge in newly built homes and altered zoning laws aimed at increasing the housing supply. So the market is slowing down, and the primary cause is increased rates. So how does all this affect your home? The drop in buyer demand has already led to immediate changes like fewer multiple offers on properties last month. Redfin reported that 60% of its offers face competing ones, which is down from where it was a year ago at 67%. Home prices have flattened as inventory increases and demand falls. So, keep in mind that this doesn't mean that our market is crashing. Most experts agree that poor lending practices were caused behind the 2007 crash, and today's lending standards are much, much tougher and tighter. However, it's important to keep the context of our market in mind. Home prices have risen 34% over the past 2 years, and while inventory has increased, it was still 48% below pre-pandemic levels in April. The market might be slowing, but it's still a very good time to sell your home. If these trends continue, now may be your last chance to sell near peak demand and get the most of, for your home. So if you need help selling your home or just have questions, I'd be more than happy to help. Feel free to reach out to me, DM me, comment, text me, call me. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.